Okay, today we are here to discuss about the apartment project that we are planning in Snehita Hills. This project is on 1,100 square yards, that is two bits of 500 square yards each. Let me share the screen. Okay, the location here we have uh, from Narsingi, if you're coming taking the service road or if you're coming through the ORR. The advantage here is this ORR has in and out as well. And from the ORR Trauma Center, it is hardly 500 meters to into the Snehita Hills. Snehita Hills, as you all are aware, is one of the biggest HMDA layouts that are there. In this, we are taking two plots, 500 square yards each. If you actually look in Google Maps or if you're looking in Google Earth, you can also see that there is a lot of rock formation here. So the land that we are purchasing post excavation. The excavation will start from next month around 10th. So, and after post excavation, we will go for approvals in the month of November. That's the plan. Excavation should take about 15 days is what we are thinking. Uh, in these two plots, it is going to be done by the owner himself. We are to pay him in advance before the 10th, post which he will start the excavation process. After the excavation is done, we will go for approvals. Let me share uh, the plots. These are two plots actually, 110 and 111, both 50 into 100. So our plot is totally going to be 100 into 100. It's going to be a square plot for us. However, for the sake of approvals, we are going for as two different plots. When we're going for approvals, it's two different blocks. Each block will have its own lift. These two blocks will have G plus 4 as a permission. With TDR, we are going with G plus 5. So in all, we will have 20 apartments coming up in this project. The project is not named yet. We are still thinking of a good name, and we have even announced a contest for it. Anyone coming up with any buyer actually coming up with a good name for it will have a 2 lakhs discount in the price or 2 lakhs worth furniture in installed in his apartment at the time of registration. So it can be either ways. Let me share the floor plans that we thought about. This is one of the floor plans that we have for each block. In here, we have ensured that the bedrooms are all more than 10 into 10. It's a 3 BHK layout plan that is there. And then we have, in both the cases, it's all more than 10 to 10. So we've ensured that we have good area for the bedrooms and the living and dining space. The second option also, close to it, there is a day, both the options are uploaded on the website. You can look at it. Option number plan 1 actually is got a centralized living and dining space in both the cases. And whereas option 2, it's more like any other regular floor plan that you have. In fact, you can also send in suggestions if you have any with these floor plans or any better options that you might want to opt. We will customize the plans accordingly before we go for approvals. This is as far as the location is concerned. As far as the legality, we are still in the process of getting the legal check done. The reason being Snehita Hills, overall the project, after Pebble City has come up, there have been few plots which were registered, unauthorized registrations actually. That is what we are trying to check before we come clear the legal in here. Ideally speaking, it's an HMDL layout, but at the same time, we are also trying to ensure that everything is correct. So we are checking records from 1953. We are actually going up to the ROR records also, because the documentation part which is there with HMDA, the files have been burned. So For Snehita Hills project, whatever file documentation was there earlier, that files were burnt in HMDA, due to which it's taking a little longer than we thought. So most probably before the 10th itself, I should be able to come up with the legal, probably by this month end. We will have the legal clearance, post which we will give the advance for the plot and then the excavation will start. We have three options of purchase in here, as is shown on the website. Uh, you have an investor option where we are giving an ROI of 30%. Buyer option of 100%, you're getting at 5,000 per square feet. And if you're going for 50% payment, you're getting at 5,600 per square feet. The reason we are also planning for a duplex plan, which is not uploaded yet. We will have it probably by Tuesday or Monday. That's the reason we said any range anywhere between 1,300 to 2,800 square feet. So we will try to give all the options we can, and then we will take suggestions from people. We will have enough time for people to actually look at the location, look at the layout options and take a decision, because the excavation itself will take around 15 days. So we have enough time for that. Uh, the reason why we chose this location, number one, it's very close to the ORR. So it's hardly 10-12 minutes from Gachibowli. Distance is 11 kilometers if you're taking the ORR. And this place is actually visible from the road itself. This right next to the Broadway cave that you see on the road. After which there is a commercial building which is coming up by Raichandani. And there is a 40 feet road which you can enter here, or you can also take the double 100 feet road for Pebble City. And if you take the second left, there is a left here as well. There is a second left. If you take the second left, you will directly come to a plot. At our plot, we have this plot is not us. We are not going for it. This is the plot that we are talking about. And there might be questions about the road Sula coming up here, because there is a 30 feet road as per the master plan and the layout is concerned, which is true. But this road Sula is actually in favor. So there are different types of road Sulas. This road Sula is actually very beneficial for people who are investing in that land there or who are residing in that land. So you can get it checked through Vastu, because we've already done that, because that was the first check we have done rather than the soil testing or the legal part. We've got it verified through Vastu and we got very positive response saying it's very beneficial for the residents there. So that's the reason we are still going ahead with it. Our plot will be not completely into this. This will be a part of the road solar, which is going to hit us. And afterwards, there is the other plot here. So floor plans not finalized. These are ones which are just options. Once we have the duplex options also, and once we know what buyers are actually looking for, that's in when we will freeze on plan probably in the first week of November and then go for approvals. So that's the whole idea here. It's again a group project. The reason why we are giving almost cost to cost prices is that's what we want to push the project for. 5,000 per square feet. If someone is thinking about the pricing there, let me tell you, all the lands in and around, if you're going onto the 100 feet road, the pricing is not less than 1 lakh per square yard. This was quoted at 80,000 per square yard. We closed it at 70,000 per square yard. And there are not many lands who can actually boast about 70,000 per square yard in that area, unless and until their approach road is way up the hill or there is a 30 feet road access only, things of that sort. Other than that, it's not much. It's walkable distance from the main road, and right opposite to it, there's a bus stop. So advantages wise, a lot of advantages in terms of the location, with which even with the premium costing, I thought it's a very good option that we have at hand, and we went ahead with the project. So that's it from me. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I know it's a very prelim stage of the project now, but I just wanted to give a gist as to what it is. I'm not seeing any questions coming up, so I'm thinking no questions for now. Anyways, the recording will be there. We will meet again probably at the time of the excavation being started. And probably you can ask me any questions at any point of time that you want to have a check on. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.